Hi, I'm doing a review for, it is on Amazon, it's called Garden Hose Quick Connector Set, including garden hose nozzle, hose splitter with shutoff valve, 20 rubber washers. This is the box it comes in. You get, I don't know what all these pieces are called. This piece, and then the orange, it's kind of a rubber. You get these pieces, 3 of these, 2 of these, 1 of these, and then I know this is the Y splitter where you can put the hose and have 2 running. They both have the switches. They're easy to turn. It's made good. It's durable. It also comes with extra O-rings and washers. I don't know if they meant to make these pieces orange, but because they're orange, if you drop them or lose them in the grass, they're easier to find. So, coincidence? I don't know. They're easy to use, easy to connect. Everything that you pretty much need connector wise is in it. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe.